Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is vocalization. This topic is written under the heading of respiratory physiology in the Guyton. Now, basically, vocalization is what simply you understand. Vocalization means production of sound, voice, clear? Production of understandable voice, clear? Okay, the sound is produced. What is the purpose of production of sound? Why we talk? What do you think? Why we talk? Basically, talking is the base for communication between the two individuals, clear? To communicate with another individual, the person produce sound. That process is called as vocalization. Now, for proper communication, so that voice communicate with the other individual, that sound should be understandable. Another person should proper understand. This process, this vocalization is not simple process के production of sound. This is attained with the help of three separate processes called as phonation, articulation and resonance. These are three separate processes. After these three processes, the understandable sound which we hear is produced. Clear? We will do all of them one by one. Very simple. Basically, for that purpose, we have a role. First, where the voice is produced, that we will do. Clear? So, voice production, sound production, initial first, that occur where in body an area which is called as box for that voice box. What is that voice box? Larynx. Clear? So, in the larynx, sound is produced. And first production of sound in the larynx, that will be called as simply phonation. So, phonation is what? Phonation is initial sound production by the larynx, clear? Which is called as voice box. For that purpose, we should know some anatomy about the larynx. The front boundary of the larynx is thyroid cartilage. We have the here thyroid cartilage in the front of the larynx. Behind that, there are arytenoid cartilage and also some other ligament which cover this area, clear? But these two cartilages are very important because our vocal cords are attached with that. Posteriorly, vocal cords are attached with this arytenoid cartilage. Anteriorly, these are attached with this thyroid cartilage. These are known as vocal ligament or simply vocal cords. These are responsible for the production of sound, vocal cords, clear? In the larynx, which is called voice box, for the production of sound, responsible thing is this vocal cords, clear? What are these? Vocal cords. And these vocal cords are present like in the, suppose that this is the our tracheal entry, clear? Epiglottis closes this entry. Now inside this, these are vocal cords, clear? What they do for inspiration, they are wide open so that air properly come in our tracheal tree. In expiration, their position changes. And remember, we talk not during inspiration, we talk. Voice production, which is function of these laryngeal string like structure, these vocal cords, they will vibrate and their vibration will produce sound in expiration only, not in inspiration. So, vocal cords, they produce sound during expiration. This is first basic concept. Why in expiration? Because during expiration, these vocal cords moves, clear? Their movement produce sound. Now this area is also closed area. Now this opening, clear? This is also called as rima glottides. Clear? This opening, this should be wide open in case of inspiration, and in expiration it position changes. Now movement of this chord so that they become near to each other, far from one another. This is function of these cartilages, arytenoid, this thyroid cartilage, also associated muscle which are attached with these cartilages, which move this cartilage, and this cord moves an associated ligament. Clear? Simply, that is not our function, that is function of anatomy, which muscle move which type of movement of this. We will only see its physiology. Simply, two term I will tell you, if suppose these are these two arytenoid cartilage, if these vocal cord become near to one another, one position is that. Another position, if they become far from one another, these two are different position. When they become near to each other, this is known as adduction. Simply, this is known as abduction. Clear? So some movement this should you know. Okay, what is this abduction, adduction? Now, how this produce sound? This produce sound by vibration. Same principle is used for production of the music through guitars. Guitar contain the string like structure. When the strings are moved, guitar produce music, sound. Same principle, that principle is adapted from vocal cord movement. Vocal cord move with the movement of them. In expiration, when air touch with them, these cords move, they produce sound. This process is known as phonation. What this is called? Phonation. Phonation is simply sound production from the vocal cord or larynx. So one process की initial sound that is produced is known as phonation by vocal cords or larynx, we can say. Now next phase importantly के you have seen के when we talk, where is sound produced? Sound is produced in the larynx. But why we move our lips, tongues during talking? That sound to become understandable is converted in understandable words with the help of another structures. That process is known as that sound is articulated. Next phase, articulation, so that we understand these words, sound produced by that larynx. Articulation mechanism come in. Clear? Articulation occurs with the help of the thing you imagine what thing we use during talking. Simple, you will understand we use our mouth, our lips, tongue importantly, and also movement of palate. These are the structure which are responsible for articulation. Sound is articulated here. Clear? So second thing in vocalization, second process is articulation. Third important process in that, basically the sound, the intensity of sound changes. Have you feel in cold weather when you have influenza, sinusitis, you are coughing, have some problem in nose, runny nose, this type issue? What do you think? What changes occur in your noise? Your noise become changed. Character of your noise changes. And the other person with which you are communicating, he say have you that influenza? Clear? So he understand that person have some problem. Why? Because sound intensity, frequency, loudness is changed by some other structure. Nasal cavity, nasal sinuses, that process in which sound is amplified, it is loud, its character frequency changes, that is known as its process of resonance. Clear? Third process in sound production is resonance. Resonance occur with the help of resonators. What are resonators? Simply our nasal cavity, nose, nasal sinuses, these are very important, and also there is a role of pharynx in it. Clear? and some say also our mouth cavity have a role in that case. Sound is amplified, its loudness frequency changes. So ultimately after these processes we hear the proper sound that is used for communication. Clear that? So आज हमने क्या डिस्कस किया? हमने डिस्कस किया कि वोकलाइजेशन क्या होती। वोकलाइजेशन किसी का बात करना, दूसरे को समझाना, अंडरस्टैंड करना, कम्युनिकेट करना किसी से, इस पूरे प्रोसेस को कहते हैं वोकलाइजेशन। ये सिंपली एक प्रोसेस नहीं है, इसके अंदर 3 बातें। एक तो इनिशियल हमारी आवाज़ निकले वॉइस बॉक्स से, वो काम है। इनिशियल जो साउंड बनाता है वो लैरिंक्स का काम है। लैरिंक्स में वोकल कार्ड मूव करते हैं, एक्सपायरेशन के दौरान उनकी मूवमेंट वाइब्रेशन से आवाज़ निकलती, वो आवाज़ कहलाती फोनेशन। फिर उस आवाज़ को हम समझ सकें तो उसके लिए हमारी ज़बान, मुंह, होंठ ये हिलते हैं, ठीक है, डिफरेंट पोजीशंस में, ताकि वो आवाज़ हम समझ सकें। उसको कहते हैं आर्टिकुलेशन प्रोसेस, जो कि मुंह, ज़बान और होंठ, क्लियर, तालू, इनकी मदद से होता है। नेक्स्ट उसके बाद उस साउंड के अंदर एम्पलीफिकेशन होती है। एम्पलीफिकेशन का मतलब चेंजेस आती हैं, या वो उसकी लाउडनेस बढ़ जाती है, तेज़ हो जाती है, फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज हो जाती है। ये काम है रेजोनेटर्स का। रेजोनेटर्स के अंदर हमारा नाक का फंक्शन है, नाक के अराउंड स्पेसेस हैं जिनको नेज़ल साइनसेस कहते हैं, और फेरिंक्स का काम है। यही वो चीज़ें हैं जो अगर अपना काम ना करें तो हमारी आवाज़ चेंज हो जाती है। जैसे आपने देखा होगा शदीद ज़ुकाम हो किसी को, उसकी आवाज़ भारी हो जाती, क्योंकि इन रेजोनेटर्स का फंक्शन डिस्टर्ब हो जाता। क्लियर? सो दिस वाज इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक टू बी अंडरस्टैंड। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडेज टॉपिक।